Night moisturizer restores with hydration overnight. Restores hydration to instantly reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. Night cream provides up to 48 hours of moisture while you sleep. Rich non-greasy cream formula won't clog pores. Moisturize to restore skin's hydration and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with Night of Olay Firming Night Cream. Its deeply hydrating formula delivers up to 48 hours of long-lasting moisture that renews skin while you sleep. This non-greasy and rich overnight face moisturizer works to firm all skin types, dry, normal, combination and oily, without clogging pores, so you can wake up to smoother, softer and more supple skin in the morning. Top reviews from the United States. It definitely helps with wrinkles. I have used Olay's night cream for years. I use it for daytime and love how it moisturizes.